Nature as therapy, the restorative effects of spending time outdoors. Hello there, and welcome back to Shadowfax Forever. Today, we're exploring how nature can act as therapy and help you overcome burnout. The great outdoors offer a wealth of mental and physical benefits that can help you recharge and restore your well-being. So, let's dive in and discover the restorative effects of spending time in nature. The importance of nature for mental health. It's no secret that our modern lives are increasingly disconnected from the natural world. We spend countless hours indoors, glued to screens and surrounded by concrete. However, numerous studies have shown that nature has a profound effect on our mental health, reducing stress, anxiety, and even symptoms of depression. So, how does this work? Well, being in nature allows us to engage our senses, be present in the moment, and connect with something larger than ourselves. This can help quiet our minds and bring a sense of peace and tranquility. Benefits of spending time outdoors. Spending time outdoors offers a range of benefits that can help you combat burnout and promote overall well-being. These benefits include improved mood and reduced stress. Nature has a calming effect on our minds, helping to lower stress hormone levels and improve our mood. Increased creativity. Disconnecting from technology and immersing ourselves in nature can help spark creativity and improve problem-solving skills. Better physical health. Outdoor activities, such as walking, hiking, or cycling, can help improve cardiovascular health, build strength, and increase endurance. Enhanced focus and concentration. Time spent in nature has been shown to improve attention and cognitive function. Tips for incorporating nature into your routine. Now that you understand the importance of spending time in nature, here are some tips to help you incorporate it into your daily routine. Start small. Begin by taking short walks in your neighborhood or local park. Schedule regular outdoor activities. Plan weekend hikes, bike rides, or picnics with friends and family to make nature a regular part of your life. Bring nature indoors. Add plants to your living and workspace to create a calming and restorative environment. Practice mindfulness outdoors. Try meditating, doing yoga, or practicing deep breathing exercises in nature to enhance the therapeutic effects. Nature offers an incredible source of healing and rejuvenation, making it a powerful ally in overcoming burnout. By making an effort to incorporate nature into your daily routine, you can reap the benefits of a more balanced and resilient mind. So go ahead, step outside and embrace the restorative power of the great outdoors. Thank you for watching this episode of Shadowfax Forever. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on overcoming burnout and improving mental well-being. See you in the next video. Remember to stay connected with us on social media for more content and updates. Take care and see you next time on Shadowfax Forever.